This video will cover the removal and installation of the front and rear door cards in a 1982 Volvo 240 GL. This can be completed over a coffee break. Let's start with the front doors. To start, unscrew the lock pin from the top of the door card. Remove the plastic trim around the latch by applying pressure to one or both sides until it unseats. Unscrew the 3 plastic anchors from the door pocket. The door pocket is resting on 2 screws at either side. Lift with gentle pressure and tilt up to release the center plastic retainer. Use a small screwdriver or similar to pry the 2 plastic caps from the armrest. Remove the 3 screws securing the armrest. Gently slide the window controls out of the way. Twist the grab handle and pull to remove. It secures to the metal door underneath with a pair of metal wings, as you can see here. Remove the 2 door pocket screws and begin to unseat the plastic clips from the door itself. A proper trim or clip remover tool would be best, but a thin and wide flathead screwdriver will also do the job. Gently feel the edges for the clips. Once located, place your tool under the door card at the base of each clip and apply gentle leverage until the clip unseats. Once all of the clips are unseated, unplug the power window controls. You can also do this prior to unseating the clips. Lift the door card over the door lock and remove. The rear doors remove in the same fashion as the front doors, except that they have no door pockets, have a simpler armrest, and have a few more plastic clips at the bottom of each card. Don't worry if you broke a couple of the plastic clips, as these can still be purchased. To replace, you will need to seat the metal reinforced top of the door card onto the 2 metal tabs on the door itself and slide over the door lock. The rest of the installation will be the reverse of removal. Enjoy your Volvo 240.